Okay, welcome to this MECH 1000 video. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you want to know how to download AutoCAD. So in this class we use AutoCAD and we have quite a bit of lab time to work on assignments, but chances are you're going to need to use it outside of class at some time. And the good news is Autodesk is free to students to download a 1-year trial version. So on our Blackboard page, right now I'm on the welcoming announcements screen. If you go to Books and Materials, you'll see I've created a link here that will take you to the Autodesk Education site that allows you to download the software for free. So it takes us specifically to the AutoCAD page. Autodesk makes a lot of different software, but AutoCAD is what we use in MECH 1000. You will probably need to sign in. Now, I can see here that I was not prompted to sign in because I'd already signed in earlier today. It's telling me welcome back. But you will need to create an account if you've not already done so. Or if you have, you'll just need to sign in and then specify the version you want. Now I'm recording this video in 2020 and we're going to be using the 2020 version of AutoCAD, but you're going to want to be sure to check with your instructor to see what version is being used in the lab that you're using, because Autodesk products are commonly not backwards compatible. So in other words, if you download a newer version at home than what we're using at school, then you won't be able to open up those files that you've worked on at home. So just make sure you're using the same version. The latest is not always the greatest, meaning that you don't just automatically want to pick the newest version, because that may not be what we are using. So as I said, we're using 2020, so I'll select that. The operating system, there really isn't even a choice anymore. There used to be a choice between 32 and 64-bit, but we have to go 64-bit. And the language is presumably English. So I want to point this out. Most people seem to just gloss right over this information and go right down here to install and install without reading any of this stuff. This serial number and this product key you are going to need in order to activate your software. So once you have it downloaded and installed, in order to activate the student trial version, which lasts for 1 full year, you will need to enter this serial number and this product key. Without it, I believe you'll only get a 30-day trial, and then once 30 days is up, your software won't work anymore. So I get this question all the time. Mr. Whitson, my software is not working. It says that I need to activate it. I don't understand what that means. Well, it means that you need to enter this information and you haven't done so. Now the good news is that if you forget to write this down, that's okay, because it says here in this box, an email containing this license information is being sent to you. So whatever email address you used to create your Autodesk account, that email address will receive an email with this information in it. You'll just need to go back and find it. And it, as it says here, it may go into your spam or junk folder, so you might need to look there. But at some point you're going to need these two pieces of information. You're allowed to install this on up to 2 devices, and as I said, it lasts for a full year. At the end of the year, though, you can come back and download the next version. I've been doing this for probably 15 years, downloading version after version after version. So really you can just continue to indefinitely keep up-to-date AutoCAD on your computer, so long as you are a student. And so yeah, then all you need to do is click Install Now and accept and hit Install. Now I'm not actually going to do that because I already have it installed on my computer, but you'll just follow the prompts, and it does take some time. You do need a decent internet speed, and you need to have a fairly up-to-date laptop or desktop computer to run the software. But once you've got it installed, it will be actually on your computer. The license lasts for a full year, and I think this is the most reliable way to access AutoCAD from your home computer. I'll make another video that will show you another way that you can access it using the Citrix My Apps, which is an online platform we have at Zane State, so that you can access the software remotely. It's not quite as reliable as this is, though, so this would be my first recommendation, and the My Apps would be sort of more of a backup situation. Okay, so hopefully this will help you out. Let me know if you have any problems with the installation, and good luck.